Welcome back to Eyewitness News this morning. We're joined this morning by Charley O'Hara, here to answer your legal questions. We already have a caller on the line with a question. So, hey, caller, you can go ahead now and ask Charley.
Hi, Charley.
Hi.
Yes, I want to know how long does it take to get an expungement record?
Well, what he means by expungement is there's actually a way that you can have if you've got a criminal record, even arrest record, or even a conviction record, you can have those things taken off your record for most things that you want to have it to people that want to check it. Now, the government can always check it. A judge can always check it. Some agencies can always check it, but you can have it taken off for employers and things like that. So a lot of people want to do that. And it can exist. You can have it get expunged in state court, city court, or the different courts around the area. But to have them expunged, you go to the court and ask them to take your record away so that nobody can find it. And it works very well for a lot of people. Sometimes, just like everything else in the law, it takes a little bit of time. Sometimes you can do it rather quickly, and for the law, we would say rather quickly in a month or so.
Exactly.
Or sometimes it'll take 3 or 4 months, but you usually can get it done. Now, if certain crimes you can't take off because they're too serious, and sometimes if somebody's been in trouble again, it's hard to get them taken off, but it can be done. And that's what he's talking about.
Is that something you can do yourself personally by just filling out paperwork, or do you need a lawyer's help on that?
Well, you can always, almost a lot of things in the law you can try to do yourself. I don't know that I recommend it. Some real simple things you could do. Sometimes an expungement is simple. Sometimes, and the problem in the law is you think it's going to be simple, and then something jumps up, and it's a real complex thing. Usually always better off having an attorney when you're in the law.
All right, Charley, we ran a story just a moment ago about Donald Trump being sued. The judge ruled against the plaintiff in this decision, the person that was suing them, about potential slander or libel via Twitter. And when it comes to social media, and even just slander and libel in general, it's very hard to prove anything that somebody's at fault.
Yeah, it actually kind of existed back in the days when certain words would be said and people, it would basically destroy someone's reputation. I think we've all grown a little bit beyond that now, and people say things and we all realize that they're spouting off and it may not be true. And if you're a public figure, if you're somebody who's out there, that like the President of the United States or a politician, you can say a lot of things about them. It'd have to be intentionally saying something trying to hurt them to even have a lawsuit. It's pretty hard to prove. If you say somebody's lazy, what does lazy mean? I mean, what does it mean in your eyes? What does it mean to other people's eyes? Very difficult thing to prove.
All right, thanks so much, Charley.
Sure.
Appreciate you, and thanks for your phone call as well. We're back here in just a moment. We'll check back in with Shane at the RV Show.